Okay, let's talk about my favorite topic, and that is the cold outreach, how you're going to get new recruiting clients. And we could discuss a few ways of doing that are pretty obvious. We have cold calling, which most people don't like to do anymore. However, I will say that cold calling has never worked better than it does today. And Clarence and I have tested this recently over the past 2 months. We are sitting here in April 6th of 2023. And I'm telling you, cold calling does work. Cold email is another way to do it. Not bad. A good way to automate your process. It can't hurt to have a good cold email campaign running in the background. You might hook a fish here and there. Just be aware that the numbers are pretty dismal when it comes to getting to somebody's inbox, lots of spam issues, junk folder, all that kind of great stuff. So little dicey just to rely on cold email. Then you have LinkedIn automation, the tools that we all see out there like Expandy and Octopus, and there's so many of them right now. Guys, those aren't new. They've been around for like over 5 years. You probably see them on LinkedIn. You probably get solicited every day like I do with a automatic cadence sequence over like 3 months of these automated messages. Nobody wants to respond to those anymore. Stop doing it. It's probably the worst way to get a hold of prospects, in my opinion. However, I will say on the candidate side, when it comes to sourcing, you can use it there, not so bad, right? Okay. And then one of the methods that I use above and beyond all the ones that I just mentioned are personalized video messages that I send out through a platform called Dub. My link is below. Go ahead and click that link to get a free trial as well as a monthly discount if you want to use the platform. I've been using it for 2 years. My members use it. Above and beyond the most phenomenal outbound outreaching tool when it comes to hunting and biz dev to get new recruiting clients. We see a 90% open rate, anywhere from 20 to 30% reply rate. What that means, every 10 videos that you do, you can expect about 2.5 to 3 responses, right? Pretty staggering numbers. So here's the pitch, guys. You ready? I've been asked this over and over. I'm going to give it to you right now. Copy exactly what I say if you'd like, or make it your own. And here we go. Hi, Bob. Russell Liebowitz here with ConnectGen. I see that we're now first-degree connections on LinkedIn. I also see we've got several mutual connections on this platform. Bob, the reason I'm reaching out to you is because I want to explain to you how we recruit A-player passive candidates. That's right. We don't use traditional job boards like Indeed or Monster.com, Career Builder, like most average recruiters do. We roll up our sleeves and cultivate relationships with passive A-player candidates. These candidates are very tough to find. They're a needle in the haystack because I don't know if you know, but only 10% of employees at every company are meeting and exceeding company objectives. But these are the employees that you want for your company. These are going to be the assets and the ones that are going to stay for a long time. So with our process, it's allowed us to have a 92% retention rate. What that means for you, Bob, is that when we make a placement with you, you can be assured that these candidates are going to stick around for a while and add a lot of value to your bottom line. I'd like to learn more about your hiring process, any needs that are coming up either in this quarter or next quarter, and also explain to you how we find these elusive candidates and share with you some recent success stories too. Bob, my calendar is below. If this resonates with you, go ahead and book a call with me. I look forward to speaking with you. All right, guys, there it is. It's like riding a bike for me. I shoot about 10 of those a day, mix them up a little bit here and there, but feel free to use that script, make it your own. I hope that helps. Happy hunting.